Hello, practitioners. Thank you for your time and, in particular, for attending our two-step starter, which we organised through the GoToMeeting recently. I just thought I'd just send a very quick clip explaining a little bit of background as to the geopathic stress that we shared with you. We live in a world where the atmosphere is continually bombarded with electrical activity. And the Schumann resonances are a set of spectrum peaks in the extremely low frequency portion of the Earth's electromagnetic field spectrum. And this operates between 3 and 69 Hertz. These global electromagnetic resonances, they become excited by the lightning discharges in the cavity formed by the Earth's surface and the ionosphere. At any given time, we are told that there are about 2,000 thunderstorms around the globe, and these are producing something like 50 lightning events per second. These thunderstorms create the background to the Schumann resonance signal. And this is what is generating and why we use this procedure to eliminate this geopathic field of stress so that the brain has allowing for congruence to operate again. The integration of the brain, of course, is essential, and this is one of the things that we're sharing with you, what blocks that integration. And this can affect the gland called the thalamus gland, which is operating and associated with the acceptance of sensory integration into the brain. This can be accessed by using the occipitalis muscles at the back of the head, and if you contact that, you'll find a strong muscle will weaken prior to the correction for geopathic stress. So that's some of the things that you'll find will clear with this procedure. Also, we shared with you the lumbosacral junction restrictions. And I just wanted to emphasize that these will implicate certain muscle weaknesses. And the first one is with the lumbosacral junction. You're going to find that there'll be a unilateral weakness of one of the latissimus dorsi muscle groups. This again is prior to correcting the junctions as we shared with you. So that's the lumbosacral junction, the unilateral muscle weakness of the latissimus dorsi. Then we also shared the sphenobasilar junction. And this, if it's restricted, will cause a bilateral weakness of the supraspinatus muscle group, again prior to the correction that's being made. So that's the sphenobasilar junction weakening the bilateral weakness of the supraspinatus muscle group prior to correction. So just thought I'd just send you that detail. Hope this is helpful, and we would certainly love to share more with you where the brain actually organizes the function again and is the, if you like, the process by which function will be stabilized and restored. So thank you for your time, and we look forward to catching up with you at some point. Thank you.